if you're suffering from sunburn, either severe sunburn or mild sunburn, I'll be showing you how you can clear your sunburn so fast. Sunburn is a type of skin damage caused by overexposure to the sun ultraviolet ray, which is called UV ray, and the skin becomes dark, sometimes red and inflamed. You get the sunburn around here. It can be so annoying and irritating, especially when that part of your face is looking darker or reddish than the rest of your face. Yes, I know the feelings. I've been there before. When you're walking, you're going for errands or going out during the time that the sun is very hot, it's advisable to wear protecting clothing, like clothes that will cover your body and the ones that will cover your leg. And sometimes I use this hair tie to cover my face from the sun. And it's advisable to wear your sunscreen. It's very, very important. Most people, they say because they are in their car, they don't get sunburn. Believe me, you will still have the sunburn if you don't use your sunscreen or protect yourself from the sun, because the sun is hitting the glass and the glass is directly affecting your face or your body. The safe way about it is to wear protecting clothing and to use your sunscreen. I had the same experience last year when I traveled to my hometown. When I forgot my sunscreen. Believe me, I forgot. When I came back to Lagos, I returned with a big sunburn on my face. I think the picture is on the screen somewhere here. I returned with a big sunburn on my face. Don't be like me. Just get your sunscreen. This is the one I have here. This is about 2,000 naira. It's Florence Sunblock SPF 60. I got this at Urbano Supermarkets in Lekki Phase 1. Yeah, Lekki Phase 1, about 2,000 naira. If you can't get this, you can buy Dr. Rachel. The picture is on the screen. That's about 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira. It depends on where you are buying it. It depends on the store you're patronizing. That is very good because it has hyaluronic acid. I love that. It's the next one I'm getting now. After buying your sunscreen, or if you have your sunscreen already, the first item you need is this Skin Doctor toner. It has papaya and witch hazel. It's safe for all skin type and all skin tone. It's a skin brightener, not a skin lightening toner. It's safe for all skin type and all skin tone. You get what I'm saying? This will help fade skin irritation, whitehead, blackhead, sunburn, dark spots. It works for that. And another toner that I would recommend that I don't have with me here, my friend took the one I have left, is No Mark Face Toner. The picture is on the screen. That works faster than this. But if you buy that one, I don't recommend you to use it all over your face. Just use it only on the affected area where you're having the sunburn. Use it only on the affected area. But this you can use all over your face. But because we're targeting the sunburn, I'll advise you to use it only on the affected area. So the next thing you need to buy is this aloe vera gel. This one I love. Just buy this type. It's a soothing gel. It will help soothe the sunburn, fade it off gradually. It's very, very nice. It hydrates the skin and moisturizes the skin. It will fade off your sunburn within a short period of time. So how can you use it? First, you're going to get a cotton wool, just a little, because you'll be using it only on the affected area. Just take a little of the face toner like this, then you use it on the affected area where you're having your sunburn. Just on the affected area only in the morning. This is a morning process. You use it only on the affected area. Just work it there. So once you apply it there, you leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. You need it to completely dry. So once it's dried, I can't really wait to dry because I'm making a video. I just want to show you guys how you can use it. Then you get the aloe vera gel. This one, okay, it comes like this. You can just take a little bit. It has a spool inside, but I just want to go in with much detail. Just apply it here, all over your face, not only on the affected area. This is the aloe vera gel. It's a soothing gel and it moisturizes and fade off spots as well. So you can apply this all over your face. This will be like your moisturizer. Apply it all over the face and you leave this to dry. Once you don't apply, let it completely dry. Like you feel it tacky once it's dried. then you go in with your sunscreen. Like I said, your sunscreen is very important for your sunburn to fade off. You can't be treating sunburn when you don't have a sunscreen. And if you don't use your sunscreen and you still expose yourself to the sun, the process will be slow. I told you this is cheap, it's about 2,000 naira. The other one that I showed you, it's about 4,000 to 5,000 naira. It depends on where you're buying it. So you need to get a sunscreen, because once the moisturizer is dried, this is a morning routine, you will apply the sunscreen on the face. I won't be applying it now because it's evening. I'm making this video in the evening, so I'm just showing you guys so you can know. You get your sunscreen, you apply it all over your face, then you can go about your business. Mind you, when you're using it, don't forget to reapply it every 2 hours of your sun exposure. So you can just put this in your purse. It's very small. Put it in your purse or your bag. When you know you've exposed yourself to the sun for about 2 hours, you reapply it again. That's the process of using it. Believe me, I don't know where that sunburn is coming from. It will not stay. Your sunburn will be cleared. I had the same experience too, like I explained earlier. This method helped me clear off my sunburn so fast, like so very fast. I was a little bit surprised myself. I've tried a lot of products that did not work. Most products will claim to clear off sunburn within 5 days, 7 days. I used for like a long time and none is working until I decided to get a face toner. So the evening process, you repeat the same process you did in the morning. Use this only on the affected area, and you can use this all over your face as well, but let's focus on the sunburn for now, because we need to fade it fast. Focus on using this product on the affected area. Once it's cleared and your face looks, even no sunburn or anything, then you can start using this all over your face. But for the period that you're trying to clear the sunburn, which is about 1 week, use this only on the affected area. But you can use the aloe vera gel all over your face. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This should be used only at the affected area. Once you do this step, first day, second day, third day, on the 5th day, you notice a massive changes. Even from the 3rd day, you start noticing your sunburn clearing off. And on the 5th, 6th, 7th days, you come to thank me. Your girl got you. What I'm sharing with you is what I used. That's why I can boldly tell you what works for me. The no mark is more active than this, so you can use this in the morning. If you can buy the no mark and this one, you can buy both. Use this in the morning, the no mark in the evening, but the aloe vera gel you use in the morning and in the evening. If you can only afford this, yes, use this morning and evening. And if it's the no mark you want to use, yes, use the no mark in the morning and in the evening, but use it only on the affected area. The only product you need to apply all over your face during this time is just the aloe vera gel and your sunscreen. But for the toner, you use it only on the affected area. Once your face is cleared off, like if you notice no sunburn again, you can then apply this all over your face. Yes, it's not a whitening product, it's not a lightening product, it's a brightening product. So it's safe for all skin tone and all skin type. If you're fair in complexion, if you're dark in complexion, go ahead and try this method. You come back to thank me. I hope you find this video helpful. If it's helpful, don't forget to subscribe. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Share this video. If you have anything you want me to talk about or any video you like me to make next, just drop a comment in the comment section and your girl will surely upload the video. I got you, girl. I got you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.